Hello, you are now watching Learn and Wear online lessons. Welcome. Fuambongo, Fuambongo. How are you doing? Gogalia. You can also say Alako, Alako. Now, let's learn timeline in Nweh. And timeline in Nweh can be Nkangaling, Nkangaling, or Lanling, Lanling. Are we ready? Let's go. Second in Nweh is Bati, Bati. Minute in Nweh is minute, minute. Hour in Nweh is nyo, nyo. Day in Nweh is ale, 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 ale. Week in Nweh is lete, lete, or ngap, ngap. Month in Nweh is sang, sang. Year in Nweh is ngu ale, ngu ale. And century in Nweh is ngu nkhu, ngu nkhu. Let's do some exercises. Tigubeti, tigubeti. Egwet nkanga elengwa. Egwet kanga lengwa. 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 How did you do? Gogulakon. Gogulakon. Tell us in the comment section below. Songobu abe comment achenesi. Songobu abe comment achenesi. Great job. Gogubeti mbom. Gogubeti mbom. Bye. Whoa.